Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Ericsson and IIT Kanpur's first partner to drive innovation in mobile financial services. Block expands Bitcoin mining ambitions with standalone mining chip development. Maharashtra cyber summons actress Tamanna Bhatia in IPL streaming unauthorized. Ferrari and HP announced multi-year title partnership for sustainable innovation. Interglobe's Rahul Bhatia and Asago Group's CP Gurnani launch Elon OS to redefine digital journey. Healthify partners with OpenAI to develop innovative health tech solutions. Elon Musk acts to launch dedicated TV app positioning itself as YouTube competitor and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Ericsson and the Foundation for Innovation and Research in Science and Technology, first at IIT Kanpur, have formed a two-year strategic partnership to innovate in mobile financial services and fintech solutions. The collaboration aims to leverage Ericsson's wallet platform supporting over 400 million registered mobile wallets to identify emerging technologies and market insights to address genuine customer needs. This partnership signifies Ericsson's commitment to technology and innovation leadership in the financial services sector and highlights its dedication to nurturing local talent and fostering impactful solutions. Block, led by Jack Dorsey, is expanding its Bitcoin mining efforts by developing a complete system, including a standalone 3 nanometer Bitcoin mining chip. This initiative aims to democratize access to Bitcoin mining by offering both a standalone mining chip and a full mining system, addressing challenges faced by mining operators and decentralizing hardware supply and hash rate distribution. Actress Tamanna Bhatia has been summoned by Maharashtra Cyber for questioning regarding the unauthorized streaming of the 2023 Indian Premier League IPL on the Fair Play app. This incident resulted in substantial financial losses for Viacom, the official broadcasting rights holder for the IPL, leading to questions about Bollywood's performances and the potential challenges faced in 2024. Ferrari and HP have announced a multi-year title partnership uniting two global icons with a shared vision for sustainable innovation and purposeful technology. The collaboration spans across the Scuderia Ferrari Formula One team, Scuderia Ferrari esports team, and Scuderia Ferrari Driver Academy, aiming to drive forward sustainable innovation and technological excellence while making a positive impact on future generations. Interglobe's Rahul Bhatia and Asago Group's CP Gurnani have launched Elon OS, an AI business venture aiming to redefine enterprises' digital journey. Elon OS pledges to equip businesses with cutting-edge AI solutions, streamlining workflows, enhancing customer experiences, and reshaping the modus operandi of businesses in the digital era through its IntelliOS platform. Healthify, one of India's leading health tech companies, has partnered with OpenAI to develop innovative features leveraging advanced GPT models such as RIA, an AI-powered wellness assistant. This partnership highlights Healthify's leadership in the global health and fitness industry and reaffirms its commitment to leveraging cutting-edge AI to address users' health and wellness needs. Elon Musk's social media platform X is set to launch its own dedicated TV app aiming to provide users with a seamless entertainment experience on smart TVs, positioning itself as a competitor to YouTube. The app promises features like a trending video algorithm, AI-powered topics, cross-device compatibility, enhanced video search functionality, and effortless casting capabilities, suggesting a robust offering for users seeking high-quality video content. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं वीडियो कंटेंट आपके बिजनेस के कैसे गेम चेंजर बन सकता है? वॉच द फुल वीडियो एंड क्लिक द फॉलो बटन राइट नाउ। YouTube दुनिया का वीडियो शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है with over billion monthly active users and over 1 billion hours of content being watched every day. YouTube provides you unparalleled reach and opportunities. नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं विघ्नेश। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे अल्फाबेट वाई से योस्ट एसईओ एंड YouTube मार्केटिंग। YouTube एक बहुत बड़ा वीडियो शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां यूजर्स अपने वीडियोस को अपलोड, शेयर और देख सकते हैं। यहाँ बिलियंस ऑफ मंथली एक्टिव यूजर्स हैं जो आपको प्रोवाइड कराता है अनपैरेलल्ड रीच एंड एंगेजमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज। ये प्लेटफॉर्म बिजनेस के लिए मार्केटिंग, एजुकेशन कंटेंट, ब्रांड बिल्डिंग और कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट के लिए क्रूशियल है, स्पेशली थ्रू यूट्यूब मार्केटिंग एंड यूट्यूब एड्स। और अब देखते हैं योस्ट एसईओ को। योस्ट एसईओ एक पॉपुलर वर्डप्रेस प्लगइन है। ये आपकी वेबसाइट को सर्च इंजन फ्रेंडली बनाने में मदद करता है। इसके फीचर्स हैं कीवर्ड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, रीडेबिलिटी चेक्स और भी कई टूल्स हैं जो आपके पोस्ट और पेजेस को ऑप्टिमाइज करने में हेल्प करते हैं। इस एपिसोड में देखिए हमने YouTube और योस्ट एसईओ कुछ खास फीचर। अगर आपको एपिसोड पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और फॉलो करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट Z के साथ।